How to enable resharing of content on Instagram stories. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to enable resharing of content on Instagram stories, open the Instagram application on your device. Swipe right in the newsfeed page and you will be led to the interface where you can add story, reel or post from. Tap on the settings button you see on the top right of your screen and then tap on the story option. Scroll down and under sharing, you will see the option for allow resharing to story. I only have the option for allow sharing to story currently. However, if your Instagram has the option of allow resharing to story, then go ahead and toggle on the button for allow resharing to story. And with this, you will be allowed to reshare content on Instagram stories. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.